Welcome to Freshman Transition Night, Part 2. What do you want to do when you grow up? That's a question many adults ask children as soon as they can talk and show interest in a certain career or a certain toy. This question sometimes tends to turn to what are you going to major in when they get to high school? These questions can be very daunting to students who are unsure of their career interests. They could cause students to feel stressed, nervous, and inadequately compared to their peers, especially if they think that their peers have it all figured out. Hello, I'm Mrs. Allen, Marilyn Allen. I am the Director of College and Career Readiness for the Afton School District. Mary Genta, who is our College and Career Counselor, and I are here to help your students to be success ready. Afton's vision and mission include developing students as responsible citizens prepared for the challenges of a global society. Success ready not only includes being successful while attending an Afton school, but also after students leave our buildings and pursue their next steps, whether that means employment, military, apprenticeship, or continuing their education. I don't think it's reasonable for students to know what they want to do for the rest of their lives. Many of us adults don't even know that. However, it's both reasonable and responsible to encourage and guide our students by providing the tools and steps to engage in self-reflection, research, and exploration occupations. So how do you start choosing a career? With a number of career choices out there, career clusters help us to organize these options. Career clusters is one way to group career choices in the same common features in the same cluster. Clusters can be used during career exploration as a way to find the best career choice. The U.S. Department of Education career clusters provide a way for schools to organize instruction and student experiences around the 16 broad categories. These 16 broad categories encompasses virtually all occupations from entry through professional levels. 8th graders have been doing research and investigation into possible career clusters through Missouri Connections. They've been working with their counselors at Rogers to develop their plans, explore what clusters they might want to, and develop their individual career and academic plan, also known as the ICAP. This is to help guide students to learn about themselves and explore possible career paths. By taking courses and learning about career paths and clusters, students learn both what they like and don't like, which is equally important. In this newsletter, you will have the opportunity to explore the 16 clusters in more detail. Ask your 8th grader which career clusters or paths they are interested in. Also in this newsletter, you will see a link to a presentation called State of St. Louis Workforce. Every year, MERIC, which is Missouri Career and Information Committee, and St. Louis Community College Workforce Development Division ask employers what are the high demands for both in skills and careers in the St. Louis area. Making a decision to change career paths is completely acceptable. We don't expect students to keep with the same path. We rather them explore it in high school so that way they're ready whenever they leave us. One thing to note, we're not asking students to pick a job. We're just asking them to look at possible career paths, career clusters. Careers are a journey that have many exits and entrances and twists and turns. High school is an excellent time to explore and take classes that will help guide them in being success ready. As you go through the career clusters, you will see now, next, and then careers. There's an explanation of what those mean, as well as possible classes that a student can take to help explore while they're in Afton High School. If you have any questions, please contact myself, Marilyn Allen, or Mary Genta, our College and Career Counselor. Our contact information is at the end of the newsletter.